Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. We're playing for the facility if in case you didn't know. But I'm here with Sage today. The pro that's level 105. Also, guys, warning, there may be a bird scream.
I'm not sure if it will be, honestly.
Oh.
So where are you?
Just don't come near me, because the beast is here.
Oh, so I just have to find a beast to find you.
I'm hiding. Why are you looking for me? I saw him. I was crawling, and a player came through the door, and it startled me.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Also, make sure to buy my Roblox merch.
Oh, you haven't died yet?
I got captured once.
That's unexpected that you haven't died yet.
Oh, I didn't fail the computer!
You haven't even hacked a single computer?
I'm starting a computer and I didn't fail it.
Did you figure out how to not fail a computer?
I figured out how to not fail a computer.
Finally! Woo!
I'm officially safe to be around.
I don't know about that one, though.
Ah! I did a backbend. Me. I didn't see it. It came up from right behind me. Nope.
Do you have your sound on?
Yeah.
You better turn it up.
It's good. I can hear them very well, but I didn't hear anything for a second. And when I heard something, it was too late.
Is anyone going to become savior?
I don't know.
That's a big issue.
Oh no. Hey, I'm not the bottom of the server this time.
here.
Hopefully they don't fail.
They're gonna fail. They were the person that failed that one PC. Oh, they didn't fail.
There's a reason I always fail with computers because I never take my finger off the E button. That's why.
Bad. Very, very bad.
Can I wiggle? I want to wiggle.
Wiggle where?
Wiggle under the table. Where?
You can't wiggle. You're asking for that.
There's. Let's run though. Maybe they had to do something.
It's an unlikely thing.
Yeah, but it's still possible.
I'd be surprised if we even got to get out this place. And no one's died, too? That's interesting.
I'm trying to find the computer I started to hack.
Do you not remember?
I know it was upstairs. And I think the one that got failed was the one I found. No. Why are you guys failing computers? Lord help me. I'm with the noob.
Got some bad news. The beast is back.
This person, Coco, is currently trying to hack another computer.
I wouldn't go to that exit if I were you.
The exit I'm at.
What?
The exit I was going to?
Yeah. Beast is right there. And they're going to the other one now, so. I mean. But the one over there that I think you're going to is open. So if you just beat the beast. Both of them are open now. Where are you going?
I'm confused. I don't know where I'm supposed to go.
Do you see that yellow door?
Yeah, I see it.
Go to it.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm lost.
You can go through the hallway and get to...
I didn't see where I was supposed to go. Thought it was in a room. You know I'm still learning how to do this game, girl. Are you VIP? I didn't even realize, but I'm able to go to the trading post. At one point I was waiting so I could be able to go into the trading post, and when I finally do it, I don't even realize. But I'm actually not surprised the Beast didn't win because they're the bottom of the server, the level 1. Which means they're new. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm looking. 31. What do you mean? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, obviously.
I didn't know if because you were.
Oh, I am the beast.
Oh
That's not good for me.
no! It's a 1v1.
Oh, 1v1.
It's a 1v1 against me and you.
Like,
This should be good content.
you're the advantage. You're
The 176 in the lobby.
last round there was a 276, I believe.
Oh.
Well, last game.
But that's 176. I mean, there's 70 players above me.
Random question: am I able to hear players?
I shall not answer that.
I want to know.
I shall not answer that.
I know I can hear them when they're hacking, but can I hear them like when they're just walking?
I shall not answer that.
But you're at the top of the server now. Also in Murder Mystery 2, I hit level 40. And I got some new knives.
So you got new knives?
Yeah.
That's cool. What knives did you get?
I don't know,
You don't know?
I think I have a leaf knife. I traded with my mom for a black knife, but I think I traded that away for something else. Not sure. I traded my cheddar gun. I finally got the trade for that. I got a toy gun, and then I traded that.
Ooh, what'd you get for the toy gun?
I think that might be the leaf gun.
I got my family gun.
I mean, no, I don't think I did. I don't know if I got a deal for my toy gun yet. I'm not sure. I can't remember.
Oh.
Fail a computer already.
No, I don't fail computers.
I found a computer. I wish I was pro. That's scary. What? I walked into a room and there's just a skeleton on the body. On the wall. There's just a skeleton on the wall, casually chilling there. I'd be amazed if I could catch you. Cause I'm right there.
You are a turd.
Are you in here?
No, you're not. I refuse to die. But why was you right there?
You ran right into me too.
You just like appeared out of nowhere. Nice to know.
Are you hacking a computer?
Oh.
Yes or no? Please tell me. Because I swear I heard something. I swear I heard hacking noises.
Nope. I didn't hear anything.
You're hacking a computer.
You're hearing your own imagination.
You know how I found you? I found an open door.
What do you mean?
Why'd this just fall? The ground collapsed.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Oh, I know you're gonna be watching the video, so. I'm lost! I I don't know where to find you. I'm lost.
So you won't find me?
I don't think I will.
That's good.
I wish it was a brighter map.
Nothing. I mean,
Why not at least where I can see things better?
turn your brightness up.
I'm not gonna burn my eyes out. And that's just sabotage.
It's not sabotage.
I broke a wall. I'm proud of myself. I knew you were hacking.
It's not.
Have you seen me? Besides that one time
What?
where you ran into me. Have you seen me since the time you ran into me?
I've seen you multiple times before I even ran into you.
Are you serious? It's always the doors I don't check.
Yeah, you don't check the doors much. I'm usually hiding in that room. But you don't check. Well,
No! I was going to the exit too!
that was a good one, D1.
Yeah! Whoa. Well, Sage, I think it's about time we wrap up this video. So come over here. I'm gonna stand on your. Try to stand on your head. Horribly fail.
Look, if you angle it right,
Now I can't zoom my camera out anymore. Bye guys, see you next video. Ooh,